Good Friday, guys. It's Dynamic Trades for another daily recap. So today was kind of a wild day for me. I only profited 15 bucks, but I'll take that. I'll take 15 bucks over a loss. So I'm gonna be going over the trades. I traded a couple stocks. It was just kind of, it was a lot of kind of just, you know, I don't know. It was weird. The market was weird today. I mean, Spy was down, and the whole market was down today. But I tried. So CLEU was my first trade. So I lost on this trade. So I was down about 150 bucks, and then I ended up, trading my way to profit $15. So I'll take the green day over a red day any day. So it's good. I learned a lot today. So yeah. So I'll be going over the trade. So I got this. Where's it at? I purchased right here at 130, 130, and I actually, yeah. So I got filled 1,600 shares, and my sell order didn't go through at 134. So I caught this dip going down, and I ended up taking a loss. I think at this line or something like that, because I was seeing if it was just going to be a 1 minute pullback and retest this high, but it didn't. It failed, rejected super hard. So yeah, so I took a loss there for 1,600 shares, so that was quite a bit. And then I took a couple trades on drug. Let me pull that up for you guys. So I ended up making my money back here on drug. I took quite a lot of trades on it actually. So I ended up buying 600. Let me see 1 second. So I bought 1,200 shares, if I could remember correctly, at 154. Yeah, so I seen it pop up. It was late too. It was later in the day where I seen it. Oh no, yeah, it was right here. So I was seeing this. It popped up on the Momo scanners. So I was seeing this right here, and it was stepping up, consolidating, stepping up. So I was like, okay. So we'll see if we can get a good trade in. I was just trying to be patient with it. So I ended up filling at 154. So I was trading it around this area. So I filled right here at 154 for this pop up right here, and I ended up taking my profit at 161. So I ended up taking it up here. So I bought 1,200 shares, sold them. So I was only down, I think, 60 bucks at that time. And then I ended up taking another one around this area. So I ended up buying at 161. So I think I bought actually on this candle right here on 161, because I seen it a 1 minute candle to make a new high right here. So, well, not really, but I just wanted to see if it was, because it kind of went back to the EMA lines, and that's just my strategy. So I wanted to see if it was gonna pop back up. So I ended up buying 161. I only bought 600 shares at that time, though. I didn't end up buying 1,200. I wanted to take it a little more safe. And then I ended up selling at 166 just for a 5 cent, 166 up here. So I bought right here, sold right there, 600 shares. So then I was only down, I believe, 20 bucks. I wasn't necessarily trading to try to get green. I was more just trying to learn the market more, just so, because I'm still new and it's paper trading. So I tried to play it like it's real money. So yeah, and then I took a couple more trades on it, on these little dips right here I was trying to get. So I capitalized on some of the dips. I think I lost on one, but and overall I gained $15 profit on that account. So I'll take it over being down 150 bucks. And I was just looking for like A quality setups that match my strategy. I wasn't just trading, like just trading just to try to make my money back. I was actually sticking to my strategy and sticking to my risk management and stuff too. I wasn't just trading out of the blue. I was actually, finding these setups and stuff like that. So yeah, I ended up losing on this one. So, it was only a penny though, so it's really nothing. I ended up buying right here to try to get this break at 171, and then I ended up selling at 170. So I only took a penny loss there. Right here, I caught this. I didn't trust it. It was going down, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna sell it. It's better to be safe. not have that unwelcome risk that you don't need. So I just ended up taking a penny loss on that. So it wasn't that bad. And then I ended up taking a couple trades. I was done with that stock because I seen it top 130 right here, and I was watching it dip down right here, and then it retested it, and or it got retested this line, it failed, retested it again, failed, and then it retested it one last time and it failed, and then ended up dropping until later. But I was already like I day trade at work. So I day trade. I wake up at 4 and I see if I open up my Momo scanner and look up Webull and look at how the market's doing and stuff like that. And then if I could get any trades pre-market, I trade pre-market. If not, I bring my laptop to work and I don't start till 7. So I get from 6, I get to work at 6 and I don't start till 7, so I get there like about an hour early just so I can trade, just because I'm really trying to learn this. And that's a passion that I have. I tried it before and I failed and I just gave up, but this time I just want to take it seriously and actually learn. So yeah, that was it on drug. And then I ended up taking a trade. I seen this later in the day. AAOI. This started popping up randomly, like later. Like I think it was like right here in this area, because I seen it. I was trying to get a trade on it pre-market, but it just wasn't having it for me. It wasn't my criteria to trade, so I ended up not taking any trades on it. But I took one trade on it, for a 10-cent profit, and I only traded 700 shares. So this is how I got the profit, $15. I ended up buying at 330. It was around this. Where was it? Or was it down here more? Yeah, I think it was. Where was it at? I think it was. Can't remember. I think it was this little break right here. 330. Yeah, so it was right here. This 1 minute candle to make a new high right here, and it fell below. It fell below the EMA line. So I seen it bring it back up, and it was gonna retest. So I ended up purchasing. 700 shares, and then I ended up just getting a small scalp on it. So I ended up getting up to here. Where is it at? Where is that? Not 336. I sold, or 335. So yeah, I just got this little break right here to here. So, and then yeah, consolidated right here, and then it had like a little 1 minute pullback right here, and then it broke through right here. But I was already like, I didn't really trust it. I was like, the market's kind of down today, and it's kind of risky for me. So I was like, I'll just take my $15 green day, small green day, but I'll take it, better than the loss. So yeah, so I'll be back Monday for, actually, no, I won't be trading Monday unless I can get some pre-market action. I'm actually starting early for work, so Monday I will try my best to post a recap for you guys, but if not, I'll be back Tuesday for sure. Monday we have to go to work early, so I got to be in there at 5:30, so I got to leave my house about 4:30 or so. So yeah, I might not. I'll try to get some pre-market action anytime I can to trade on the laptop, but if not, I'll just skip out for Monday, watch from the sidelines. But yeah, Tuesday I'll be back. If not Monday. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good weekend.